On the edge of the wood was a lonely, wise owl called Jolene. She was just relaxing, contemplating the night's hunt. It was a cold winter's night, the air was crisp. There was a rustle of branches in the wind. All of a sudden, there was a sound of distress from sheep. Jolene, all of a sudden, turned to the source of the sound and spoke.
Hello, can I help you? Are you lost?
The sheep responded.
Yes, we lost our way back from our farm. There's a river in the way and we cannot get over it. Can you help us?
The wise old owl eyed up the sheep.
I could fly up into the sky, get a bird's eye view, and find a safe place for you to cross the river.
That would be really helpful. Thank you.
Jolene soared high up into the sky, creating a shadow in the moonlight, and spotted a bridge. She hooted with joy. She descended back to the branch, ruffling her feathers back into position.
You will find this bridge 2 miles back past this tree. Your farm is 1 mile further long. But after that, as the crow flies.
One sheep looked at the other.
We should be back home before we miss it tonight. Thank you. I'll enjoy your hunt tonight.
Thanks to the owl, both the sheep made it home safe, sound and dry.